Hello, akkam jirtu barattoota nagaa keessanii iddoo isin jirtan hundumatti nageenya waaqayyo si wajjin haa ta'u. Har'a viidiyoo bareedaa gosa qormaata aptituudiitiin isiniif dhufeera. Isinis nu waliin qayyabachuudhaan milkoomina keessan karaa chaanaalii keenyaa akka dhugoomfattan gamanumaan isin affeerra. እንደምናችሁ ተማሪዎች የአፕቲቲዩድ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ጥያቄዎችን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁኝ። ስኬቶን በእኛ ቻናል እንዲያረጋግጡ ከወዲሁ ጋብዛችኋለሁ። ሎጂካል reasoning is the correct answer that directly associated to the bold words. Question number 1. If binding is for book, A. Criminal gang, B. Display museum, C. Artist carpenter, D. Nail hammer, E. Frame is for picture. The answer is E. Frame is for a picture while binding is for a book. A binding surrounds and holds a book together, just as a frame surrounds and holds a picture. Question number 2. Division is for section. Which one is correctly associated to this bold word? A. Lyre for tire, B. Teeter for bundle, C. Chapter for verse, D. Riser for stage, E. Diaz for speaker. The correct answer is A. Lyre is for tire if division is for section. This means a synonymy. Lyre means tire. It represents hierarchical or structural synonymy. Warreen kaan garuu synonymy miti jechuudha. Faallaa waliiti. Question number 3. Explore is associated with discover. Which word is again associated with these black words? A. Read is for scheme, B. Research is for learn, C. Write is for print, D. Think is for relate, E. Sleep is for wake, research is for learn, explore is for discover. Maalirratti kan hundaa'edha jechuudha. Faayidaa irratti kan hundaa'edha. Purpose ጥቅም ላይ የተመሰረተ ነው። 4. Depressed is for sad. Which word is associated with this? Depressed jenne sad yoo jenne jechi armaan gaditti kenname keessaa jecha kana wajjinii michoomu isa kami? ከተሰጠው ቃል ጋር የሚዛመደው የቱ ነው? A. Need for considerate, B. Tiring for clinging, C. Rapid for clothing, D. progressive for regressive. E. exhausted for tired. This word is intensification. ማባባስ ማጋጋል ho'isuu ukukkubsuu gaddeera jecha jedhu baay'ee gaddeera extremely sad yoo jenne ta'e አዝኗል የሚለውን ለመግለጽ ከመጠን በላይ አዝኗል ከናፍ exhausted is an intensification of tired baay'ee dadhabeera. So the correct answer is E. Siamese is for cat specification whereas Roman is for lettuce. Siamese is a specific type of cat, just as Roman is the specific type of lettuce. Addabasu malayet. The correct answer is D. Question number 6. Finch is for bird. Which word is associated with this one? Finch ብለን bird ካልን ከዚህ word ጋር የሚዛመደው የቱ ነው? ጀቻ ከነ ወጅን ከሚቸው ሙካሚ A. frog throat. B. elephant reptile. C. Dalmatian dog. D. Cole marsupial. E. ant ladybug. The answer is Dalmatian is for dog. The correct answer is C. Saroota gaggabaaboo adii kana jenne specify goone ibsu. So it is specification. Question number 7. Petal is for flower. Which word is associated with this one? Petal jenne flower yoo jenne. Petal bilan flower kaalen. A. salt pepper. B. tire bicycle. C. base ball. D. sandals shoe. E. puppy dog. Petal is a part of a flower. Tire is a part of bicycle. Petalin qaama abaabooti. Gommanis qaama baayiskiliiti. Question number 8. Pastoral is for rural. Which word is associated with this one? A. metropolitan urban. B. harvest autumn. C. agrarian benevolent. D. sleepy nocturnal. E. wild agricultural. Pastoral is a rural. Metropolitan is an urban. So the correct answer is A. Number 9. If we say bale for cotton, which word is associated with this one? Cotton jenne bale yoo jenne. Cotton bilan bale kaalan. A. Butter char. B. Wine ferment. C. Grain shock. D. Cart cheese. E. Beef stick. Maraa jirbii yoo jenne grain shock. Bishii qamadii, ba'aa xaafii, hidhaa garbuu ለጥጥ ጥቅልል ካልን ለእህል ሾክ ክምር ሸክም ነዶ እንላለን ማለት ነው። The correct answer is C. It indicates gathering. If grain is gathered as a shock, cotton is gathered into bales. Question number 10. Tailor is for sweet. Which word is associated with this one? Tailor jenne sweet yoo jenne jecha kana faana kan firoomu kami? Tailor bilan sweet ካልን ከዚህ ቃል ጋር የሚዛመደው የቱ ነው? A. Scheme agent. B. Edit manuscript. C. Revise writer. D. Mention opinion. E. Implode building. It indicates Tailor alters a suite. Ciccitaa fooyyessee hodha. Edit jechuun immoo gulaaluu keessa deebi'uu fooyyessuu. Question number 11. If we say pachyderm for elephant, which word is associated with this one? A. Manti rodent. B. Poodle feline. C. Kangaroo marsupial. D. Zebra horse. E. Tuna mollusk. Again, specification. Elephant jenne pachyderm yoo jenne kangaroo jenne marsupial jenna jechuudha. An elephant is a pachyderm. Bineensa gogaa yabbuu qabudha jechuudha. Specific type of mammal, just as kangaroo is a marsupial. Question number 12. Pedal for bicycle. Which word is associated with this one? Pedal jennee bicycle yoo jenne jechi kana faana wal fakkaatu kami? Pedal bilan bicycle kaalan A. Inch yardistic. B. Tire automobile. C. Walk skip. D. Buckle belt. E or kaanu. ፔዳል ለባይስክል ነው። ጥቅሙ ፕሮፐልsii kan ibsu ta'uu qaba jechuudha. Propulsii jechuun guula peedaaliidhaan baayiskiliin akka guulu taasisna. Kanaaf pedal propels a bicycle just as or propels a canoe. Question number 13. Psychologist is for neurosis. Which word is associated with this one? A. Ophthalmologist for cataract. B. Dermatologist for fracture. C. Infant for pediatrician. D. Rush for orthopedist. E. Oncologist for measles. Jechi kun treat yaaluu agarsiisa. Kanaaf saayikoloojistiin yaala niwuroosisii yoo ta'e specification dha. Ophthalmologist is for cataract. As psychologist is for neurosis. Question number 14. Bristol is for brush. Which word is associated with this one? Bristol jenne brush yoo jenne. Bristol ብለን brush ካልን ከቃሉ ጋር የሚሄደው የቱ ነው? A. Arm for leg. B. Stage cartel. C. Recline chair. D. Key piano. E. Art sculpture. Here it indicates if we say Bristol is for brush, key is for piano. Why? Because it indicates part at whole. A Bristol is a part of a brush, just as a key is a part of a piano. Question number 15. Rain is drizzle. Which word is associated with this one? A. Swim for dive. B. Hop shuffle. C. Juggle bounce. D. Walk run. E. Run jog. The answer is E. Run for jog. This is intensity. Baay'ee hammeessuu xiqqaadha. Roobni har'a baay'ee xiqqaadha yoo jenne drizzle jennee ibsina. Chaanaalii keessan Ji'oolessan 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Ji'oolessan 17 Tube chaanaalaችሁን ስለጎበኛችሁ አመሰግናለሁ። Ji'oolessan 17 Tube chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu.